Wow, that was a big one out there. You know, this is what a tornado sounds like from a close but safe distance. It just sounds like thunder that just keeps going and going and going and going.
That was a big one.
Is it because that's a cold front coming into the warm air? Because doesn't that make the fucking, doesn't it, the cold coming into warm make the vapor expand at a rapid rate? And then that movement is what makes the lightning, because it's creating all this static charge.
I'm not entirely sure.
Whoa!
Like
I do know that we have kind of
my meteorological knowledge is limited.
How far do you think Horsetooth Mountain is from here, straight line, as the crow flies?
Considering
Jesus.
from Harmony, it's probably like 10 minutes up Harmony, so
Wow.
5 to 10 miles, maybe. That's perfect.
There's so much light that the birds are chirping.
Yeah.
Kind
Is it daytime? Why am I waiting?